Hey guys, Christian from VCM. If you've been following the series, we just finished up the engine bay detail of this Commodore. Now we're moving on to the wheels. So for the wheels, we'll be using a range of YumCars products again. First off, we'll be using Undress. So we'll be using this as the tyre cleaner to really degrease the tyre walls and get rid of all the old tyre shine and whatever else has been put on these tyres. So that will get that all prepped for when we hit it with dress. Next, we'll be going in with Wheels. So this is the heavy degreaser with iron fallout removers for the rims. So these tires are super dirty, got a lot of brake dust on there, so that will really hit the brake dust and get rid of all that grime that's been just building up on this car. Once we've hit it with wheels, then we'll also go in with wheel foam on top of it to give it the extra dwell time and also just the extra cleaning power with this high alkaline wheel cleaner. Once we've hit it with wheel foam, that's when we'll go in with our detail factory brush into the rims and behind the calipers and everything like that. We'll also be using our wheel mitt as well to get behind the spokes and the faces of the tires as well. Most importantly, we'll also be hitting the wheel barrels with the YumCars Wheelies. These are great. Also comes in different sizes to get behind the calipers as well with the big Brembo brakes. So that will be the wheel detailing side of things, and after that we'll be moving on to the body of the car. All right, now first we're going to give the wheels and wheel wells a thorough rinse. So we'll go in, give it a good rinse, then we'll hit it with Undress for the sidewalls of the tires, and we'll also hit it with wheels to really start breaking down that brake dust. All right, now we're gonna get Undress, hit the tire walls, and hopefully see some change in color of a lot of this old tire shine and dirt starting to drip off the sidewalls. Now we're going to come in with Wheels and spray that all over the tires and the barrels, and that will see a reacting color and also just start breaking down a lot of the grime as well. Now we've let Undress and wheels do its magic. So as you can see, the tire wall's super dirty. Hard to tell on the black rims, but you can really see wheels attacking a lot of the brake dust and grime as well. So we're gonna go in and rinse this all off and then hit it with wheel foam. All right, that's it for the wheel detail. So as you can see, it's come up amazing. Tires are super clean, wheels are super clean, and the wheel wells. So stay tuned for the next part when we'll be moving on to the body of the car.